Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am English teacher from IYS school for class 4. Our topic for today class is poem unit number 1 Fabulous Beast. Please listen to my instructions very carefully so you will understand it very clearly. Have a notebook and pencil with you and note down difficult words you find during the lecture. During the lecture, I will share screen with you as you are seeing this with you. Please take screenshot and do all work in your fair copies carefully like you did in your school. Don't interrupt me during lecture. Once the lecture ends, you will be free to ask questions. Okay, my students, now I am starting the lecture. Okay, this is your unit number 1, Fabulous Beast. There's a fabulous beast in my neighborhood. It's called the garbage truck. It arrives every morning and gobbles up everything that we call yuck. Its mouth is in its rear end and it's always gaping wide. In its head, it's got a human who takes it for a ride. When it's round, you will see stuck between its pointy teeth curls of peel and plastic bags, fish bones, and shred of meats. And when it's full, it spit it out, whack through on a garbage dump. And that's why this monstrous beast never gets fat or plump. I'm reading again for you. Please listen to me very carefully and correct your pronunciations. There's a fabulous beast in my neighborhood. It's called the garbage truck. It arrives every morning and gobbles up everything that we call yuck. When it's done, its mouth is in its rear end and it's always gaping wide. It's in its head it's got a human who takes it for a ride. When it's done, it's round. You will see stuck between its pointy teeth curls of peel and plastic bag, and when it's full, it spits out whack through on a garbage dump. And that's why this monstrous beast never gets fast or plump. Now I am explaining this poem to you. As you are seeing this, there's a fabulous beast in my neighborhood. Fabulous beast, fabulous means an amazing and interesting, and beast mean something which is inhuman. Not a human, something which is monstrous, which is strange. It's called a beast. Kindly, my students, don't raise hand during the lecture. First of all, listen to me carefully. At the last of the lecture, raise your hand. Don't raise your hand during the lecture. Okay. It's called the garbage truck. Like you all have seen garbage truck. It arrives every morning. You have seen it in your neighborhood. You will see it in your societies that it arrives every morning. Arrives, come, to collect our waste material, our garbage, and gobbles up. Gobbles up means to eat up, to swallow something, to eat something. फौरन से निगल जाना जिसको कहते हैं ना, that's is called gobble up. Okay, everything that we call yuck. everything which we waste. Yuck is something like we say na yuck. It's a very bad thing. It's same like that. Yuck mean our waste product, our waste material, our extra things which we waste in our garbage. Okay, so it's the routine of a garbage truck that it arrives every morning and eat up everything which is waste product. Okay, my student, here poet is expressing garbage truck with a beast. You know why he is showing garbage truck as a living object? Because the poet is trying to develop your interest. You all know very well that garbage truck is not a living thing. But for your interest, poet is donating garbage truck with a some human-like creature. He portray garbage truck like a human object, okay, it as a living thing. So he is explaining in the other second stanza, its mouth is in its rear end, means the mouth of the garbage truck, as you are seeing here in the picture, you are seeing it carefully. The mouth of the garbage truck is on its rear end. Rear mean backside. Okay, rear mean backside of something. Now, and it's always gapping wide. Gapping wide mean always open. You are seeing here that the mouth of the garbage truck is always open. See this part of the garbage truck. It is the mouth of the garbage truck, which is always open, which is always wide, which is always open at every time it is open, and its head is on its in its head it's got a human. You all know very well that garbage truck is driven by some driver. So here poet is explaining you that in the head is this, okay? This is the head of the garbage truck. So in the head of the garbage truck there is a driver who takes it for a ride, जो कि ride पे लेके जा रहा है. Ride means for a, okay, who takes it for a ride, for a closure, for collecting the garbage from the societies. When it's done, it's round. You will see stuck between its pointy teeth. Okay, when the garbage truck end up is round and collect all the garbage from your societies, or when it collect all the waste product from the societies, there are many yuck and extra things stuck in the mouth, like you are seen in this picture, like plastic bags, curls of peel. Curls of peel means the fruits and vegetables which you peel and you waste the extra part of your food. It's called curls of peel. Plastic bags, fish bones, and shred of meat. Shred mean tiny parts of something. Shred means tiny parts of something. Like we all do chicken shred when we make samosas and patties, है ना, हम मीट को बिल्कुल छोटे छोटे पीसेस में डिवाइड करते हैं, so it's called shred. Now you are seeing it here carefully that when the garbage truck completed its round throughout the society, so there's a fish bone, extra bottles, and all the things which is waste product, it's stuck in the mouth of the garbage truck, okay? And when it's full, it spit it out, or and when this garbage truck is full means when it is fully loaded with the waste product and garbage, it dump out whack through onto a garbage truck. Whack through is not something difficult. It's the reaction, like vomiting type reaction. Na? Whack through onto a garbage truck. When it becomes full, it dump all the waste product far away from our societies, so our societies and our all the areas don't get messy, na? Okay. And that's why this monstrous beast never get fat or even plump. Here, poet is sharing another humoristic way that the garbage truck never get fat or never get thin. You all know very well that garbage truck is non-living thing, so it's impossible for him that it get any weight. And okay, class, don't raise your hands during the lecture. First of all, listen my lecture very carefully. Now, I hope you all understand this poem very carefully. I am explaining you again this poem in a short form. I hope you will understand it very carefully. Okay, again repeating this. In the first stanza, poet resemble garbage truck with beast, something which is inhuman creature, because of many resemblance and similarities among both. Okay, beast and garbage truck is like same in the eye of the poet, as we all see a garbage truck which arrives daily and collect all our waste material and unwanted materials. Okay, stanza 2. Its mouth is in its rear end means would resemble garbage truck with beast because it has some similarities with monster or beast. First, is it its mouth is on its back end, which always open to eat waste material. One more thing here discussed in a funny way that inside the head of the beast there is a space for human who drives it. So it's a clear indication toward driving seat of a garbage truck. Okay. In the stanza 3, poet is saying that when finally garbage truck completes its round, in the area, it will become loaded with waste material, plastic bags, bones, peels, pieces of wasted food, broken things, and whatnot. Okay, some of these things will stuck in its pointy teeth like mouth. Okay, in the stanza 4, poet is saying that at last, when the garbage truck is fully loaded with the garbage, it dumps all the waste product on the garbage dump far away from societies. Here in the last stanza, poet share another humoristic fact that as this monster spit all these waste materials, so it's never get fat or become thin. Now, my students, I am sharing words meaning and question answers with you. As I am directing you, please note this down very carefully in your copies like you have did in your neat copies in your classroom. Okay? These are the words meaning of unit number 1, the fabulous beast. Please, my students, don't raise your hand during the lecture. Once I end the lecture and completed my lecture, I will allow you to ask any question. Until then, don't raise your hand. Okay? Now I'm sharing words meaning with you. The word is beast. Beast means animal or something which is inhuman. Animal, okay? Animals, you all know very well that animals have four legs, and our garbage truck has also four wheel now. So it's mean animal. Gobbles up mean eat, swallow. किसी चीज को निगल लेना जिसको हम कहते हैं ना, वो चीज को कहते हैं gobbles up. Gapping, gapping mean wide. Like we see some gap in our teeth, it's called gap. Wide, wide mean broad, chauda. Okay. Stuck, Stuck means fixed, चिपक जाना. Okay? Shred, tiny pieces. Shred mean tiny pieces of something. Okay? Spits, spits, throw away. Plump, fat. Spits, throw away means like you all spit your saliva after brushing your teeth, means थूक देना. Okay? Plump, fat. Plump mean fat. You all know the meaning of fat very well. I know you all are mashallah intelligent students. Question answers of the lesson Fabulous Beast. Question number 1 is, also these questions are present in your course book page number 10. Okay? So open your course book and open the page number 10. I hope you all have opened the page number 10 of your course book. Question number 1 is, the garbage truck is depicted as the beast in the poem. What features of a beast does it have? Means the garbage truck is depicted as a beast. The garbage truck is depicted as a beast in the poem. What features of a beast does it have? Means which are the features that resembles to the beast? It's a monstrous beast who gobbles up everything. Yuck. Means the resemblance is that it gobbles up everything that is which is wasted, which is extra, and which is yuck. It's got pointy teeth which gaping wide. All this makes him seem monstrous. Means all these things of which includes that it gobbles up everything, eat up everything, it's got a pointy teeth. These all are the characteristics of garbage truck which seems like a monster. Understand? Question number 2. What other words does the poet use for garbage truck? What is the another word? Mean garbage truck के लिए कौन सा next word use हुआ है? Yuck is the other word used for the garbage in poem. Garbage के लिए क्या next word is used is called yuck. Yuck means something very dirty, something which is very unhygiene. Okay? Who is in the head of the beast? A human is in the head of the beast. Means who sit in the head of the beast? Head of the beast mean the driving seat. Okay? So a human is in the head of the beast. Because question number 4. Why does the garbage truck never gets fed? Okay? Now, question number 4. Why am I cutting? Okay. Who is in the head of the beast? You all know. Here, poet is saying about the driver of a garbage truck. So, a human is of course in the head of the beast. Then, why does the garbage truck never gets fed? The reason is very clear. because it spits out garbage when it's full, and also it's the answer related to the book, but in the actual garbage truck is something which is non-living thing, so that's impossible for a non-living thing to get any kind of fat or any type of things. Question number 5. Where does the garbage truck unload all the garbage? Okay. Garbage truck unloads all the garbage at the garbage dump. Garbage truck unloads all the garbage at the garbage dump. Okay. Students, please take the screenshot of this screen and do all this work in your copies like I have explaining you again and again that please take the screenshot of these words. Meaning first, I hope you all have taken the screenshot of the words meaning, which are beast, animal, gobbles up, eat or swallow, gaping, wide, stuck, fixed, shred, tiny pieces, spits, throw away, plump, fat. Question number 1 is the garbage truck is depicted as the beast in the poem. What features of a beast does it have? It's a monstrous beast who gobbles up everything. Yup, it's got pointy teeth which gaping wide. All this makes him seem monstrous. Okay, what other words does the poet use for garbage truck? Yuck is the other word used for the garbage in the poem. Who is the in the head of the beast? Okay, I seems there are many questions. Sheikh Anas, unmute your mic and ask me a question. If you have any question, please ask Sheikh Anas. Okay, I think you are not getting me.
टीचर फेयर कॉपी में करना है फिर रफ कॉपी में
Do it in your fair copy, which is provided by the school.
यस ओके
Oh, okay. Next, Muhammad Idris. Another. Okay. It seems there is no question. So I am sharing central idea with you. Okay. The central idea of the poem, The Garbage Truck. Reference to the poet. Okay. The poem is written by Anonymous and the poem is Fabulous Beast. The poem is Fabulous Beast. Anonymous means someone whose name is not shared in the book. Okay. The central idea of the poem is the poet is saying that the garbage truck is very useful for us because it's take away the unpleasant and unwanted things from the area. The main structure and the main central idea of this poem is that poet is donating the usefulness of the garbage truck. Means garbage truck is very useful for us. Garbage truck is very useful for us because it collect all unwanted and unpleasant things from our area and keep our societies clean. Now you are sharing I'm sharing homework with you. After all these things done in your copy, do you think, the question is, do you think poet likes a garbage truck? Give reason for your answer. It's a challenging question like thing for you, okay? Okay, this is your homework. You have to write the answer by your own. If you think that the poet like garbage truck, give the reason of your answer, and if you think that poet don't like the garbage truck, also give the reason of your answers. Yes, many people are raising hand. Sumaya Server. Sumaya Server, please ask a question, Sumaya. Unmute your mic, Sumaya. Sumaya, unmute your mic and ask me a question. Sumaya, are you listening me? Okay, Sumaya, I think